you like to have access to all of my videos and worksheets, click on the link listed in this video description to access my shared Google Drive. Help my channel grow by subscribing to my channel, click on the bell and the like to receive notifications each time I upload new videos. Let's learn how to read in Spanish. Parte 2. First, watch my video, The Spanish Alphabet, to learn the sound of each letter. Learning how to read in Spanish is actually very easy. Why? Because Spanish is a phonetic language. What this means is that, unlike English, most letters make the same sound in the alphabet as they do in a word. For example, the letter A in English has several different sounds depending on the letters that come before and after. Here are a few examples: cat, cake, share, law, private, about. In contrast, the letter A in Spanish only has one sound, no matter which letters come before and after. Here are a few examples: alarma, animal, casa, pato. However, the letters C, G, L, R, X, and Y are exceptions to this rule, and they do change their sound based on the letters that come before and after. Let's review the Spanish vowels, or las vocales. A, E, I, O, U. Let's say it one more time. A, E, I, O, U. And a little faster. A, E, I, O, U. And faster. A, E, I, O, U. Now, let's practice saying all the consonants with each of the vowels. B, ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Se, ka, se, si, ko, ku. In Spanish, CH is always pronounced as in cheers in English. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. In Spanish, CC is used before E or I only and sounds like the English KS sound, acción. Please note that in most of Spain, the CE and CI combinations are pronounced like the TH in the English word thin. De, da, de, di, do, du. F, fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. He, ga, he, hi, go, gu. Ge, gi. H. H is always silent in Spanish. A, E, I, O, U. J, ha, he, hi, ho, hu. Ka, ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. L, la, le, li, lo, lu. The pronunciation of the double L in Spanish varies greatly from region to region. More often, the double L is pronounced like a softer version of J in the English word jelly. The same goes for the Spanish letter Y. Ya, ye, ji, yo, you. M, ma, me, mi, mo, mu. N, na, ne, ni, no, nu. Ñ, ña, ñe, ñi, ño, ñu. P, pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Q. Q is only used in the ke and ki combinations with the u always silent. Ke, ki. R, ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Used the rolled R sound when a word begins with ere, like in rosa, or when the word contains double ere, like in perro. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. S, sa, se, si, so, su. Te, ta, te, ti, to, tu. V, ba, be, bi, bo, bu. W. In Spanish, the letter W is only used for words from other languages, most of them from English origin. The pronunciation of W is the same as it is in English. Wa, we, we, wo, wu. X. If a Spanish word begins with X, the X is pronounced like an S, just like in English. Xilófono. When the X is in between letters in a Spanish word, the X is pronounced like the English KS sound, but softer or less explosive. Éxito, explicar. However, there are other words with indigenous American origin where the X is pronounced like the English H or SH. Mexico. Y. the pronunciation of the letter Y in Spanish varies greatly from region to region. More often, Y is pronounced like a softer version of J in the English word jelly. Ya, ye, yi, yo, you. The letter Y is both a consonant and a vowel. It is pronounced as the Spanish vowel E when the previous word ends in a vowel or consonant, and the next word begins with a vowel or consonant. La leche y el café. Ella es joven y sutil. Y is also pronounced as the Spanish vowel E when it is placed at the end of a word. Voy, doy, muy. Zeta. The Spanish letter zeta is pronounced like the letter S in Latin America, but in Spain is pronounced like the TH sound in the English word thin. Sa, se, si, so, su. Muchas gracias. Chao.